Enterprise automation fails for a simple reason. Systems change, interfaces evolve, elements move, and automation breaks. Teams spend more time fixing automation than benefiting from it. Maintenance replaces execution. Speed turns into friction. At scale, this becomes unsustainable. ZAPTEST solves this with the ZAPTEST Object Engine, ZOE, an AI-powered layer that allows automation to adapt instead of break. Instead of relying on fragile selectors, ZOE understands applications by context. So when systems change, automation continues to run. With ZOE, organizations achieve reduced maintenance effort, higher execution reliability, faster automation scaling, greater operational confidence. ZOE is not just a feature, it's a foundational layer that makes enterprise automation viable. If your automation breaks when systems change, it's not automation. ZAPTEST fixes that.